Okay.
Is it starting?
Yes.
Okay. We're here at an explosion, waiting for it to go boom boom.
Boom.
Right now, we're walking to it.
Dun dun dun.
This is what we're going to. The sugar factory.
It actually could be the lamest video.
We are not sure. My family is up there because they are haters to Asians, whiteys, and Mexicans.
So am I, except the last one.
We're getting closer now. Look at all those cars. Whoa. I stepped in a hole.
What's up? We are hoods. Robin Hoods.
Robin Hood.
Nothing is true. Everything is permitted.
I think he's nursing a hangover.
Probably.
Get closer.
Look how tall this thing is.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Where are they going?
Oh, okay. All right.
Where are they going? Here.
What? Yeah, wood to master other skills.
Can't zoom in, crap. I got it.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
I heard
Did
it.
you guys see that? Did you guys see that?
Oh, I missed
That
I got it, huh?
that was so good. That was spectacularistic.
I got that on
Imagine
video.
the people that have to go in there and plant it. Oh, they must be scared shitless.
I wasn't scared because I was
Crap,
one
I'm
of the
on low
people who did it.
battery, crap.
You were?
Okay.
I hope some people.
Dang, that scared me. I was like, what the heck?
I was wondering what was going off. I thought it was gun. I'm like,
I
so
know.
a second I look over there. I'm like, oh my god.
I saw like dirt flying in the explosion.
Dang it, I hope I get a video.
I got a video.
Okay, let's play it. I want to see it.
Oh, isn't that part gonna fall down too?
Huh?
They're gonna, I don't think I'll blow up that
Yeah.
white part.
They're gonna blow up that whole building.
Not
the big one.
Not the big one. We're not gonna blow up the brown one.
They're gonna blow everything up.
No, because the brown one's like a landmark, so they're not gonna blow that one up. They're just gonna blow that white one on the next
Yeah,
side,
they're gonna blow everything up.
except for the brown building.
Yeah.
Everything except the round building. There we go.
We got it right this time.
Okay, let's see.
You know, they're gonna take everything down and build a hotel. Okay, you're right. Okay, it's about to start, so let's get ready.
Blow up the
first.
little white building.
That's the
Hey,
white building's back there.
They're gonna blow up. They're gonna blow up Haley. Just watch.
Yeah, I'm over here. They're gonna blow
I
me up.
wish.
They're gonna blow the bigger size of you up.
That first explosion freaked me out. I thought someone got shot.
We're gonna do that one, not that one.
It's that one. They're gonna blow up that one. They cut it off in the middle, so they're gonna no that one, not the brown building.
They're blowing up over there too.
Yeah,
Like
but they're gonna
behind
blow up
us.
that one,
They're gonna blow up everything.
except for the brown
You should
building.
get a video with a lot of sound in it. This thing used to survive for a long time.
Come on.
2 minutes is a really long time.
Can we start it now?
It was already 1:30.
Get out of the camera. God. Why are you making me laugh with your weird voice? And that's his dog.
Where y'all going?
Everyone thinks it's over, then it's gonna go boom, boom, boom.
Kabloomy. It's gonna go kabloomy.
As long as we see a dude with a camera here, we're good.
Just wait here all day. I'm gonna wait until it's finished.
Some people are leaving.
If it doesn't blow up in like 30 seconds, I'm leaving.
Yeah, right, Patrick.
I'm not kidding. It shouldn't be 2 minutes because they said it's about.
falling? What's falling? I don't see anything falling. Oh, it's not falling. Are you serious again?
We know more now.
No? It's not even falling. How much does it take to get this building down?
We're walking back over there.
They are? And it's gonna start. Oh my god.
They're like,
Are you serious?
it wouldn't be very stable.
How many times did they really need to blow that thing up?
And that was another explosion.
Patrick don't know what he's talking about.
Well, that was a bag.
People right
over
there.
there.
They got hurt. Oh my god, look.
Oh my god, there's all those people over there.
People got hurt.
Dang it! We missed it! Dang! The 1 minute I leave and then... Dang. It just got blown up. Damn it, I missed it.
That was awesome. I was right over there.
Oh, here come the police. Okay.
Fine then.
He's yelling at us. Back up.
It's like, fine then, goodness.
We're already walking over the bridge.